All right, hello. This is Sashay again with Sashay Dev, and here's another one for the archive. So this is a project I started. I would say I was probably more like 2016, and it slipped into 2017. I called it Open Note, and I just wanted it to be like a place where you can like post anonymous notes and then read anonymous notes. Shortly after that, I realized that that was a terrible idea, and it was a cool concept, and it was fun to make the web page, but man, 4chan is a great example of how anonymity can be sort of an issue when it comes to people speaking their mind. So I didn't want to be responsible to that for that, and not that it would have attracted a lot of people, but if it did, or if it got to a point where I was in charge of that, PR nightmare. Mm. Anyway, it was pretty simple. You just come over here and you'd click the eye and it'd show you notes, and you can click the refresh button right here and it would just load a bunch of random notes. It'd pull up whatever cool one, or you could search for a specific one if you knew the note number, if someone told you it. Because what they could do is when it was created, it would give you a number, and then of course when you're viewing it, it'd have a number up at the top. Then you can flag the note, and it wasn't that hard. It was not that complicated. It was just to connect to a backend database and show that it could exchange information, but the database isn't online. So, and then I tried to rechange it to make it look a little bit less gimmicky. Like the moving backgrounds, I like this one like a lot. Makes it look like, I don't know, looks like something cool. So I updated it in 2018. I used the JS framework. I don't know what this was, but it would allow me to have more control over the formatting of the notes. And then I used what was that, Google CAPTCHA, reCAPTCHA, to like verify when people were going to submit a new one, make sure that it wasn't automated or anything like that. And you could flag them. You could bookmark it using cookies. You could search for one up here on the top right. There's a search bar, and again, it was a cool idea, but it would have been a lot of drama and not worth the headache. WordPress does basically the same exact thing and just could throw a skin on top of that, and it'd be a lot more secure and a lot less of a headache. But it was fun to play around with it. So let's take a look at the source code real quick. See what we got here. Some jQuery, nice. Is that what it's called? Sorry, that was funny. Oh, Quill. Quill.js. Nice. I think it said actually right in the JS. Yeah, there it is. Alrighty. Anyway, this is Very simple website. Again, is in the archive. Uh, Thanks for watching.